Today I'm going to surprise my fans with pizza on a 30 lakh rupee BMW.
Pizza delivered on BMW bike. Take the number.
And you have gone off. I don't know where you all are. I rode down to Pune for a family wedding and I decided to stay back an extra few days to write this mad, freaking huge thing. What I'm going to do today is different from anything I've ever done before. I want to surprise my fans with pizza, the kind they'll never forget. Because they think, well, they're just getting free pizza. But actually, I'm going to be delivering that free pizza to them on the R18. The plan is to go big and crazy on YouTube every week from now on. So if you like what you see, go hit that subscribe button and let's get this community going. Let's hit our first 100,000. And I'm also on Instagram at Bike with Girl. So what I'm going to do first is put out an Instagram story.
Hi Pune, how's it going? I woke up this morning with a strange craving for pizza.
And I'm going to order a lot of it for lunch. But I'm not going to do this without you all, I've decided. So I'm giving away 2 pizzas accompanied by a crazy surprise.
A few minutes later.
So I'm going to randomly pick now because I have so many responses. I'm so excited. Okay. We've got one. And now? Awesome. We've got 2 fans. So what we're going to do next is we're going to call the 2 fans who have won the pizzas. Vishal's going to be calling them, not me, because then they're going to find out that I'm going to be part of this.
आपण डायल केलेला नंबर सध्या व्यस्त आहे कृपया प्रयत्न करा उत्तर देत नाही कृपया थोड्या वेळाने प्रयत्न करा
ए तेरा ट्रू कॉलर पे सेल्स बोल के तो नहीं आता ना?
हेलो रोहित. हाँ मैं विशाल बाइक विद गर्ल से बात कर रहा हूँ. आपने एक फ्री पिज़्ज़ा जीता है. तो आप आपका नंबर, आपका एड्रेस और वेज या नॉन वेज पिज़्ज़ा जो है वो मुझे इस नंबर पे टेक्स्ट कर देना. आप घर पे हो अभी? ओके कूल.
Okay, we have one winner. The other winner has cut our phone, so we have to now find another winner.
हाँ निखिल जी, मैं विशाल बात कर रहा हूँ बाइक विद गर्ल से.
So for the first time, I don't know what the weight of the bike is. I haven't read up, but since this is edited now, you're going to see it right under here, because I know that this is a super heavy bike, and I'm going to have a fun time turning it around here and there to go meet these 2 fans and give them my love and some pizza as well. So I know that the turning radius on this bike isn't all that wonderful, especially because there's like a huge boxer engine jutting out of here. I was crazy nervous when I picked up the R18 yesterday. But the more I rode it, the more I realized how chill it is once you're on the go. The weight, it literally disappeared. I think we should use this the next time. So it does this thing of constantly wavering towards the left. And then came the dreaded U-turns at congested red lights, where if I made one error, down the R18 would go. I'm back. I'm not angry anymore. Okay, we've reached the pizza place. We're running very late because we did not expect this kind of traffic on a weekend. I carried a bag with me so that I can have the genuine pizza boy experience. Nikhil, we're coming for you. is this a good idea? It's not, no. It's too close to the engine. But I'm still going to give this a shot because I want to do it right. I don't want to put it in the car. I want to ride it on the R18 and they should feel like this is sat on a BMW and come to them. That's my gear. I carried this pizza on this bike for you, even though we have a car.
I know, but unfortunately my dog had different plans.
But okay, here we are. Might as well do this. You are a lucky winner and I am your pizza delivery girl today. So this is for you and we thought we should get you some lunch. Very late, I know. But that's what happens when you ride something this big in a city.
I can understand that.
What do you think of the delivery machine that brought you here?
I've been wanting to go see this bike in the showroom for quite a while now. It looks so pretty and I've seen your stories also on it. And nearly everyone I know has actually gone and taken a picture with this bike.
Exactly. So now you can take a
Really
picture of
good.
this bike with your dog. With your dog. Hi, sweetheart. Hello. Oh my God, I love you so much.
And I also want to tell you one thing. I'd seen my first bike, the Harley Davidson Street Rod. I'd seen you do stories on it.
Okay.
And that's how I was still deciding between it. And once I think I saw you, that's when I bought it.
Thank you. That makes me really happy. I think he wants me now.
No,
I'm
no,
going.
you're not.
No,
You're never going anywhere.
I'm a taken.
Since
oh my God, you're such a sweetheart. Oh God, what is happening?
Careful.
Yes, please do.
Thank you. And it does look like pizza perfectly.
It does look like pizza. The R18 has passed this test very, very well.
Doggy approves.
Doggy approves. Doggy, would you like some?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
We had a
actually.
lovely time meeting you. So we're going to head over to the second person that has won this today, the pizza. Again, we're running very late and it will take me a while to get there because there's a lot of traffic on the road and you have to fit this through that. But I'm having a lovely time because this bike is not fun. Okay, I'll see you guys there then.
Okay, quick trivia. This is a brand new engine for BMW and it's got an insane amount of torque, which I honestly didn't get to experience because I was riding only in this city trying to deliver pizza. But there's always next time and I can't wait to ride this on the highway.
I've subscribed to your channel.
Thank you so much. What's your name?
Atik Sheikh.
Really nice to meet you, Atik. Thank you so much. Very sweet.
Pizza delivered on BMW bike. Take the number if you want pizza.
Yes. We have reached. I am sorry, my energies are so low, but I'm super hungry. But we've reached and can't wait to meet Rohit and give him his pizza. आप excited हो?
हाँ?
Excited हो?
Yes.
Very good. तू excited है?
हाँ.
Very good. ताली दे. Awesome. That's good. This is a pizza delivery for you, sir. I hope it is hot. We have heated it on this massive 1800cc R18 engine. And were you expecting it?
No.
Good. That is what I wanted.
थोड़ा एक्सपेक्ट किया था क्योंकि मुझे पता था आप यहीं पे रहते होगे।
नहीं, पर
मैंने
did
एक
you-
दो वीडियोस देखे थे
पर आपको लगा था कि मैं आऊंगी?
नहीं।
इसके ऊपर
नहीं।
लगा था?
नहीं।
इसको अंदर लाने में पता है कितना टाइम लगा है हमको? कम चेक इट आउट. अरे वाह, I have done. I think this is my new job now because I think we should do this also part time.
You should.
Huh? Done? Okay, I'm going to take one chota piece from you. Okay, don't feel bad. Sorry, yaar. This is like eating roti and sabji. Rohit, did you like your surprise?
Yes.
Are you happy? Are you excited?
Yes.
I'm really glad. Okay, so that is the end of today. I think I really hope that I could surprise you well, Rohit.
Very much.
If you guys want to be a part of all this fun that we have, Vishal, Vikas, and I, then all you have to do is subscribe to my channel. Grow our community. Grow this community. We're going to do some wild things in 2021. Follow Bike with Girl on Instagram.
What is your YouTube channel?
अरे अभी तो बोला तू सुन नहीं रहा यार.
तो सुनना.
यही तो प्रॉब्लम है यार तुम लोगों की भी सुनता नहीं है. Bike with Girl. Okay, seriously, I haven't felt so good about what I do in a really, really long time. So anyway, thank you for the love of 64,000 subscribers that we are at. And thank you for the love of 400k plus on Instagram. But we have to grow this community. So please, do it. Do the job. Subscribe.